Ooh, let's talk Stunner Breezy, baby. For Sheezy Drip Network, let's get into this because this is going to be some informative information for you guys that follow Stunner Breezy, and even more so for you guys that have been in Drip Network and have lost a lot of money. Let's get into it. What up, guys? In this video, we are not going to talk about what Stunner Breezy is doing. We're going to talk about what Stunner Breezy is not doing. All right? But to preface this, let's start off with a video he just released 16 hours ago. And I'm just using his words. I ain't even going to use his word. I'm going to let him speak his own words. But let's do his cool intro.
Woo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy, man, Stunna Breezy, baby, coming to you live with
Another one.
another lit video, baby. Hey, man, we gonna make this one today, baby. I know, you know what I'm saying? We in the mini bear. I call it a bear drop, baby. You can't nobody escape it. I don't care what these YouTubers come on here and tell you got a magic potion, lotion, this and all that. Click 3 times the left hand corner and nuh-uh. Everybody suffers when Bitcoin go down and everything else. We all in it.
All right. Now, I'm going to have to prove Stunner wrong. And I'm going to do this. Now, I don't know if Stunner know about this Bitcoin wallet project that we done dropped. He probably has because Drip Coach has put some stuff out, and I'm sure it kind of makes its way through the Drip community, so you guys are aware of it, but he is not trying it, and he is certainly not promoting it, probably because of our history, right? Me and Drip Coach, we kind of expose things that other influencers lose money on, right? At you guys' expense. But for you guys that are following Stunner, for you guys that were in the Drip network and incurred a lot of losses, a project is now in place. Most guys in DeFi can't even conceive of a project like this. They think all about you got to get in early and get out early in order to win. And 9 times out of 10, 90% of the people that participate in those projects are losing money. This is not the case with this project, guys. And I want to share a comment with you from a video that I just released yesterday from a fat mouse. And you guys can come out here, check out all of my videos, check out the feedback we're getting about this project, and see that it is actually kicking out yield. Your capital is not locked up, and you can make money from day one. All right. So what a fat mouse says, I kind of hit on this because he elaborates on his experience perfectly. He says, one thing that is hard to grasp is that 8% is definitely not APY. I know in DeFi, you guys are always looking at APY. This isn't on APY. This is on deposits, which can pay out in days, weeks, or a month or two. All right. And then he says you really have to use the system to experience how quickly things grow. And he talks about the Poor Man wallet that I've been doing a series on, and I'm going to share some things about that wallet in this video with you guys in a moment. Okay. He also says folks really need to test with a small deposit for a week or two so the light bulb moment clicks. You don't have to risk a ton of capital, a ton or anything, to actually experience what happens. All right. So for all of you guys that lost money in Drip, there is now a way for you to start recouping those losses and taking that far and beyond. Also, as Stunner was talking about, we all see the price of Bitcoin and everything else follows. This is the perfect hedge against Bitcoin price depreciation. Okay, so as Bitcoin continues to drop, this gives us even more incentive to go out and buy more because we are putting our Bitcoin to work. And if you have any questions about this system, it is basically just the Bitcoin wallet, but it's one that generates yield for you. If you have questions about it in any of my videos, just come down, check out the Medium article here, and it will break down how the system pays out, how the system is sustainable, and you can imagine how it's going to be around for the long term. Okay. Now, let's jump over to this Bitcoin wallet. This is my poor man's wallet that a fat mouse was referring to. Okay. I'm just going to go over a few things real quick just so you guys can get a glimpse. And I started this wallet on March the 27th. We are now May the 2nd. Okay. And everything you do in this wallet is tracked on the blockchain. So if you want to see what that transaction is on the mempool, here it is. It shows you what that transaction is, how much it paid, and all the kind of details that you need. Okay. But notice I made the minimum deposit that's required for this wallet. And that's today, at today's value, is worth $40. This was a little bit over a month ago, 5 weeks ago or something like that. And now the valuation of that $40 deposit is looking to the tune of close to $95. Okay. So the whole process is you put a deposit in, you earn credits from it, and then there's a key feature of these wallets called the marketplace where you can go and either buy your credits or buy credits or sell your existing credits, right? So if I wanted to come out here now and sell my credits, I could sell it in the marketplace at a discount, have them sold real quick and walk away with profits. But the whole concept that I've done with this poor man's wallet is to make a single deposit of $40 and over the course of time, allow that to grow by continuing to buy credits. So if I click on credits purchase, it'll show you a history of all of the credits that I've purchased since day one of creating this wallet. So once I put that $40, $50 worth of Bitcoin in, I've just been going out and purchasing more credits. And over the course of time, those credits just continue to convert into Bitcoin. This is a non-stop process. And the latest one I did was yesterday. I bought another $6 worth of credits yesterday. But I paid $5 for them because I'm picking up the discounts that are in the marketplace. All right, guys. So this wallet here is proof that the system works. And what a fat mouse was mentioning in this thing, that your poor man's wallet example is spot on with my experience. So the wallets do not play favoritism like in Drip Network. It does not allow users to leech off the system. There are so many mechanics built in of things that went wrong and why so many DeFi projects fail. Those things have been eliminated. And this system here is strictly to pay out yield for all participants. And like a fat mouse says, you have to actually try it to experience it. And on top of this, I want you guys to be aware, like he says, you don't need a lot of capital, and it does not lock up your capital. If you were to put in $50 in this wallet today, you can immediately withdraw $45 of that because the system charges you a 10% fee on the deposit, and the rest of your Bitcoin is just sitting out there. And if you want to pull it out, right? But this is a very extremely minimum risk, but gives you a significantly high reward. Okay. So when we come out here and look at what the deal is with these wallets, let's see, we have the high yield BTC, and we also have the drip to BTC wallet. Did I type that drip to BTC? And this is one that Drip Coach is pushing because he is using his earnings from this system to actually support the DRIP token by pairing DRIP with BTC and putting it out there as a resource or an opportunity for arbitraging. Okay, so there's a lot of going on. Not only will this system yield Bitcoin for you, but you have people like Drip Coach that are taking it even a step further to help support Drip, the Drip token itself, for many of you guys that are still holding Drip and that have lost a lot of value from Drip. So I encourage all you guys, go check out Drip Coach's channel because he did this throughout the month of April. And I think at the end of the month, he took his earnings from this system, paired it with some of his own money, and started an LP. And I believe that's what he's going to be talking about in this video that he's dropping later on today. So you guys be sure to go out there, check out this video, because I'm quite interested to see what he's going to drop in this video as well. This drip to BTC sustainability changes. No, not this one. Is it this one? Yeah. Sustainability changes. That's the 2-month update. Is that the one? Drip network new liquidity. No, this is the one. So I guess we're going to have to wait till tomorrow for this one. But this, guys, is going to be interesting to see. And this 2-month update is going to be interesting as well, because as Stunna Breezy is dropping all of these videos about this project, that project, this project, that project, lose money in some, make a little bit of money in others. Well, here's a solid project that you are always going to make money in. And if you check Drip Coach channel, he does a direct comparison of all of the projects that he's participated in over the past 2 years and given a very clear example on how he's lost money on every single project except this one. Okay, so I put this out there for you guys that follow Stunna Breezy, because he is not going to share it with you, or at least not until he comes out, tries the system himself, sees how it kicks out returns, and then if he truly cares about you, his following, and if he truly can get over, whoa, Mista Phi created that, so I'm going to stay away from that because Mista Phi and Drip Coach were blacklisted by Forex Shark and Ray. Well, I mean, it's about money, guys. It's about making returns. That's what we're all in this space for. And if guys going to be petty because they don't like a particular developer or influencer or whatever you want to call it, well, hey, leave that up to them. But don't follow these guys if they don't like us, right? You are your own investor. You have the choice to make wise decisions with your investment. And it's your responsibility to do your own research. If you follow after Stunna Breezy and what he said in this statement that everybody is suffering because of the lowering price of Bitcoin, that is so not so. And this wallet here, I only deposited, at the time, the value was worth $45 or something like that. Well, the value has dropped since then by $5. But my position in Bitcoin is more like $95. So this is proof, guys, that this system can and will generate yield for you, help you recoup those losses out of the Drip network, and help you prepare for the next bull run in 2025. All right, that's all I got for you in this video, and we'll holla on the next one. Peace out.